Hello dear children, in this session we are going to learn about square and cube and multiplication of indices with the same base. Let's start. Square and cube. Here's an example from your textbook. The 3 is the base and 2 is the index, or 2 is the power or exponent. In multiplication form it is written as 3 into 3 and it is totally read as 3 raised to 2 is equal to 3 into 3. That means here 3 is the base and 2 is the index, that is the power, and the multiplication form we have written 3 into 3. So as it is raised to 2 to the power of 2, you can say it as a square. So we can read it as 3 raised to 2 is read as 3 raised to 2, or you can read as 3 squared or the square of 3. Similarly, in case of cube, 5 raised to 3 is given, so that is the index form. The multiplication form is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 raised to 3 is read as 5 raised to 3 or 5 cubed or the cube of 5. Here 5 is the base and 3 is the index or the power or exponent. Always remember, dear children, the second power of any number is the square of that number. The third power of any number is the cube of that number. So in this case, the previous example which we had given, 3 cube means it is the second power. The power of 3 is 2. And in the second case, 5 raised to 3, the power of 5 is 3. So we need to find its cube. Whose cube beta? 5 ka cube. Multiplication of indices with the same base. Let's see the example. Here 2 raised to 4 is being multiplied by 2 raised to 3. When you see the question, dear children, you can see the base are same. That is 2 and 2, the base are same. And the operation over here is multiplication. Always remember, whenever the base is same and the operation used is multiplication, always add their power, their index, their exponent. So the base will be common over here, 2 will be common. You will be adding 4 plus 3. So ultimately you will get the answer as 2 raised to 7. Let's see. The expansion form of 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 3 is given. So how many times it is been written? 2 is written 7 times. So we can write 2 raised to 4 into 2 cube or 2 raised to 3 is equal to, as there is multiplication operation, so base will be common, base are common for them. So 2 raised to 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 you will get 7, that is equal to 2 raised to 7. The next example, minus 3 raised to 2 into minus 3 raised to 3, or you can read it as the square of 3 minus 3 and the cube of minus 3. So the base is same. So we will write it as it is minus 3 and 2 plus 3 we will get as 5. So the final answer here over here will be minus 3 raised to 5. Let's see the sum. They have written the multiplication form. They have expanded it. And they have written the final answer as it is getting repeated 5 times. So the power is 5 over here. So in normal way we can write as minus 3 raised to 2 into minus 3 raised to 3 is equal to minus 3 raised to 2 plus 3. We will get the final answer as minus 3 raised to 5. The next example, two upon 5 raised to 2 into 2 upon 5 raised to 3 is equal to 2 upon, they have written the expansion, 2 upon 5 raised to 5, as 2 plus 3 is 5. So dear children, now we know that if a is a rational number and m and n are positive integers, then a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Dear children, here a is a rational number. Rational number means all numbers are rational number, but the denominator should not be equal to 0. So here a, which we are considering, is a rational number and m and n are positive integers. So when they are positive integers and operation is multiplication, always add up the index, that is the power or the exponent.